KFG weather overview looking at the Intellicast radar just after midnight on Sunday morning. And, the showers are moving from west to east. It's very rare to see that, but especially in the summertime. But that is, in fact, what's happening tonight as we have this strong easterly wind that's building in across the region. Temperatures are falling into the upper 60s, and it was a very hot and humid day across the area. But now we've had this weak cold front move through. And before that happened, based on the last 1 to 2 days, not much rainfall has really taken shape across the area. In fact, it's been very underwhelming. But even though the forecasts have been very inaccurate the last couple of days as far as the rainfall is concerned, in that they've been too pessimistic, we still have some periods of unsettled weather to deal with over the next 2 to 3 days before I think gradually things start to get better and better as the week progresses, with temperatures returning to where they should be for this time of year. So this is the radar off of Intellicast.com. Again, showers scattered about throughout the evening. You could hear a rumble of thunder or two, but really the atmosphere is starting to stabilize. So we're just seeing these renegade showers moving from west to east, and that'll probably happen throughout the night, especially towards the coast. But nothing too heavy and nothing too. Most of the activity will be short-lived. Now, as we move to the various models, the NAM model has this area of rain that's developing off the Delmarva and Mid-Atlantic coast. But for the tri-state area, tomorrow into tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, looks pretty dry to me. This rain does not get in here until after midnight now on Monday morning. So the next period of rain that we have to really watch for is not for the rest of the day on Sunday, but rather it's going to be late tomorrow night into Monday. And so basically from about midnight Monday morning through about noon on Monday, you can expect periods of rain, heavy at times. We may pick up to an inch in certain spots. The area that may get the heaviest rain is across eastern Long Island and Connecticut, Suffolk County, and points to the east and north. And that's due to the fact that they will be the closest to the proximity of this low pressure, which kind of looks like a nor'easter to me on these models. But we'll see how low the temperature goes as far as the impact to our temps are concerned. But 60s will probably do it for Monday with this maritime air mass moving in from off the cool Atlantic waters. And then we get a break from Monday night into Tuesday, and more rain moves in for Tuesday night into Wednesday. So Tuesday night into Wednesday, there can be some showers around. I don't think it's as widespread as the rainfall that we get for early Monday through Monday midday or so. And then I think the weather pattern calms down basically after that. If you take a look at Weather Underground, the temperatures start to moderate, especially as we get into Thursday. But I think Wednesday could be a little bit warmer than just 61. If we would look at Sunday there with 64. Right now where it's in the middle of the upper 60s in a lot of places, but if we get peaks of sun tomorrow during the day, those numbers could be higher, especially inland. So overall, calming down after we get rid of this rain chance for early Monday morning. Some showers can move in for Tuesday, but then after that, I think we start to settle it down as far as the weather pattern is concerned. So next weekend looking pretty good for the Belmont Stakes, it looks like, and all the other big events that are happening for next weekend. It's going to be a busy time around here for June 8th, 9th, and 10th. A lot of events happening, 7th, 8th, and 9th period. So looking pretty good as far as that's concerned down the road, but just getting rid of this rain chance for early Monday.